with breaking updates now coming in. 2 days after violence broke out in Odisha's Cuttack during a Durga idol immersion, now internet services were suspended. The state government has said that internet will remain suspended till 7 p.m. today to curb the spread of misinformation. So this means that social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram and messaging platforms like WhatsApp will remain blocked in Cuttack. The police, remember, had used mild lathi charge to quell the protesters attempting to disrupt peace in the Dargah Bazaar. There were reports of stone pelting as well during the procession. We've also learnt that over 6 police officials, including the DCP, had been injured in these clashes that broke out. Odisha's DGP said that currently the situation is under control, but the police officials are monitoring the situation closely. Action against antisocial elements will be taken. He also urged the people of Cuttack to not believe in any rumors.
कटक में अभी परिस्थिति बिल्कुल नियंत्रणाधीन में है। पुलिस की तरफ से सिचुएशन पर कड़ा नजर रखा जा रहा है। जो असामाजिक तत्व हिंसा में इन्वॉल्व थे, उन सब के विरुद्ध आइन के हिसाब से जो एक्शन लिया जाना चाहिए वो लिया जाएगा। कटक के समस्त बाशिंदा को बताना चाहूंगा कि वो किसी भी गुजब, किसी भी र्यूमर पर विश्वास ना करें। अगर कोई ऐसी चीज उनके नजर में आती है तो तुरंत वो पुलिस वेबसाइट, कमिश्नरेट का वेबसाइट, ट्विटर हैंडल, उसमें देखिए, उसमें जो तथ्य दिए जा रहे हैं उसको वो समझें।
My colleague Ridhita is joining us on the broadcast with the details. Ridhita, the situation is under control now, but internet services have been banned, or the social media platforms as well as messaging apps have been banned till 7 p.m. today. What led to the clashes? What are the details of the investigation so far?
Absolutely, as you see that Odisha's Cuttack, which has been a 1,000-year-old city celebrating communal harmony, remains on the edge of violence since Sunday that we are seeing. The clashes has allegedly came out due to the disagreements over loud music during the procession in the city's Dargah Bazaar area due to immersion of Durga Puja immersions. The city also has imposed a 36-hour curfew across several areas, including the Dargah Bazaar region, that we have gotten to understand. But according to police and witnesses, we are also to understand that the first outbreak of violence occurred between 1:30 a.m. and 2 a.m. on Sunday. I beg your pardon, on Saturday, when the Durga Puja immersion was passing through the Dargah Bazaar area towards the banks of Kathajori River, which was halted by the locals of the area and was objected to high decibel music belonging to be played at the night time. So this disagreement quickly escalated when stones glass bottles were also being thrown. So now we got to understand that till today the curfew is to be imposed till 7 p.m. so that misinformation is not spread. All over 6 police, more than 25 police have been injured, but 6 have been injured brutally, with the DCP has also been injured. That is the latest that we are getting to understand after the police had resorted to mild lathi charge and to disperse the mob.
Okay, all right, Ridhita, do stay with us. In fact, the Odisha Chief Minister, Mohan Charan Majhi, in a statement also expressed sorrow over the violence and appeal for peace. He said that Cuttack is a 1,000-year-old city known for its brotherhood, and due to action of some miscreants, the peace of the city has been disturbed. In fact, the Chief Minister also said that the government is monitoring the situation, assuring that strict action will be taken against the troublemakers as per law. Meanwhile, the Vishwa Hindu Parishad has also called for a 12-hour ban today to protest against what it calls administrative failures in maintaining law and order.
अभी हमें जो कि खबर मिला कटक डीआईबी से कि ये जो गौरीशंकर पार्क के पास रॉयट्स के द्वारा जो फायर किया हुआ है, तो हम जो कटक फायर स्टेशन से 2 टीम लेके आए। हमें अगर देखा कि 8 से 10 जगह में जो फायर किया हुआ है रॉयट्स के द्वारा पथराव किया, जो रॉयट्स अभी पथराव कर रहे हैं अभी भी। हम पुलिस की प्रोटेक्शन से जो 8-10 जगह से हम अभी क्लियरली फायर एक्सटिंग्विश कर चुके हैं।
Now, we have a reaction also coming in from the BJD MP, Sulata Dio, who called this violence unfortunate. In fact, he slammed the BJP government, saying that it can neither tackle the law and order, nor can it handle the atrocities of women, saying the number of crimes have been increasing in the state ever since the BJP came to power.
कटक आप सबको मालूम है, कटक एक भाईचारा का शहर है। देखिए वहाँ पर हिंदू, मुस्लिम, सिख, ईसाई सब कोई मिलजुल के भी रहते हैं और पूजा पार्वण में कोई कभी प्रॉब्लम नहीं होता। ये सरकार, मैं फिर से बोलूंगी, ये सरकार ना लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिचुएशन को टैकल कर सकते हैं, ना महिलाओं के ऊपर हो रहा अत्याचार टैकल कर पा रहे हैं, संभाल रहे हैं। ये जब से आए हैं क्राइम परसेंटेज 7.8% बढ़ गया है।
Well, the Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan also reacted on the incident, calling it tragic. He said that the state government has promised to take this sensitive incident very seriously and action will be taken against the culprits who are involved in this. He also said that it is important for everyone to exercise restraint to preserve social harmony in the state. Meanwhile, the Cuttack DM said that right now the situation is under control while the internet remains suspended. And if need be, then it could also be extended by another 24 hours to ensure that the situation remains under control.
सिचुएशन इज वेल अंडर कंट्रोल। फोर्स भी बहुत आया है ऑलरेडी और उसके बाद भी स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने और 3 प्लेटून फोर्स जो सेंट्रल आर्म्ड पुलिस फोर्सेस है उनको भेजने का निर्णय लिया है। हम इंटरनेट को ही पूरा बैन किया है 24 आवर्स के लिए और अगर जरूरत पड़े तो और 24 आवर्स भी हम उसको हमने सोचा है कि और 24 आवर्स में हम उसको बैन कर सकते हैं।